Do you have a coin? Yeah. Sure, here you are. Got some coins? No, some coin for soup. You know, coin for soup. Corn or coin. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're looking at some comparisons between sounds which are very similar to each other. English pronunciation is tricky. From the example we've just given you, you can see, I mentioned several times before, the right pronunciation will make your life a lot easier for the listener and yourself, the speaker. And also make you have more confidence when you speak. To have the right pronunciation, you need to have a lot of practice. So let's start our lesson today and we're going to compare similar vowel sounds. So let's practice together. O is a long vowel sound and oi is a diphthong vowel sound. Ball, boil, corn, coin, jaw and join. Now let's compare O and O. Long vowel sound, diphthong vowel sound. Court, coat, ball, bowl. There are balls in the bowl. Law and low. Now let's compare and O. Diphthong vowel sound. Burn, bone. Work, woke. Girt and goat. Now let's compare ear and air. Ear, air, beer, bear, here and hair. Now let's have a little review of what we've just done. I'm going to say a word and I want you to point to which word I'm going to say. First word is joy. Is it this one or this one? Number 2 is corn. This one or this one? What do you think? Work. Again, which one do you think? Low. Again, which choice? Finally, here. Which one? A little trick sometimes, if you can't tell what word is being said, you can try to look at the person when they're speaking. You look directly at their mouth and it might give you a little hint to what they're saying. For example, court, court, and coat, coat. So that's it for today. So till next time, I'll see you later.